Let me introduce you to Microsoft Copilot Cowork, an AI assistant that doesn't just answer questions, it actually gets the work done for you. The key idea is delegation. You hand off a whole task and walk away, and Cowork keeps working on it in the background. And this isn't the future. It's available right now since May 1st this year for every Microsoft 365 Copilot user on web, desktop, and mobile. Cowork works across five main areas: communication, drafting and sending email and posting in Teams, documents, creating Word, Excel, PowerPoint and PDF, calendar and meetings, scheduling, moving or declining meetings, research, searching across your organization and turning it into reports, and automation, running routine tasks on a schedule. And most importantly, it's safe. Before doing anything sensitive, like sending an email or canceling a meeting, Cowork always stops to ask you first, and it runs on your existing Microsoft 365 with the security you already have. Next, let's look at two real examples: preparing for a meeting in a single prompt and clearing your holiday calendar with one line. Let's dive in. Let's look at the first real use case for Copilot Cowork. Imagine, before an important meeting with a client or an executive, you have to prepare so many things: a briefing document, the latest numbers, a presentation, scheduling a prep session, and updating your colleagues. That usually takes hours. But with Cowork, you type a single prompt. You ask it to help prepare for the client meeting, and it pulls your emails, calendar, and the relevant files on its own. Then it creates everything: a briefing document, an Excel file with sales charts, and a client presentation covering your differentiators, the opportunities, and the next steps. And while it's working, you can add more without starting over, like scheduling prep time and drafting an update email to your team. Cowork does all five tasks in parallel and saves them to OneDrive automatically. What used to take hours now takes just minutes. And before it sends any real email, Cowork always asks you first. Up next, a use case everyone can use: clearing your holiday calendar with a single line. Let's take a look. Let's look at our final example, the simplest one and something everyone can use for every holiday. Before a long holiday like Songkran or year end, you have to deal with meetings one by one. The ones you organize need to be cancelled with a note, and everyone else's you have to decline. It's tedious and time consuming. But with Cowork, you type just one line. You say, "Tomorrow is a holiday. Please decline every meeting. And if I'm the organizer, cancel it and send a note." Then Cowork sorts it out automatically. If you're an attendee, it declines. If you're the organizer, it cancels and sends a message. And before anything actually goes out, especially meetings that affect many people, it always stops to ask you first. What used to take many minutes now